Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the air filter. I'll be upgrading mine to the high flow by K&N. So what you're going to do, unhook this by lifting it up and pull it out. And the rib side is what faces downwards. I'm gonna set y'all right here. I'll put that in. Then on the back side, these little parts are sticking out. Goes inside these right here. So when you put it in, make sure they go in like that. Inside those holes. Lift this up, put it over, and then let it down. Then repeat the same thing for the other side. Lift it up, let it down, and that's it. And that's how you change the filter on the Dodge Nitro. I'm doing this specifically on the RT model. So, and here's the part number. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.